Today, I'm going to show you how to add an H1 tag in Wix, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website load completely. On the left-hand side, click Add Elements. Then select Text and choose a title or paragraph element that you want to use. Once you add it to your page, click on the text box to open the text settings. Here, you'll see options for text type or heading type. Select H1 from the drop-down menu. This tells search engines that this text is the main heading of your page, which is important for SEO. You can now edit the text itself, change the font, size, or color to fit your website design while keeping it as an H1 tag. Once you're happy with the appearance, make sure to save your work. And that's it. Your H1 tag is now properly set up on your Wix website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.